say she love me, but how I'm supposed to know it? She don't show it. She sending indirect messages, the message is direct to me, that you directed me out this relationship with this loving you are not letting me do. I say I love you, now let me be true to this commitment. I'm committed, now let us be two and we through. I wanna be one, but you worried about you like I'm not, yeah. I show my love so you can never doubt me. I play the game right, even the scouts see. Now when them other chicks scout me, don't try and use that to back up the claim you really care about me, cause you don't, you just play me close. So when the fame, rain, and bread come in, we can share some toast. Ben Franks, we ain't splitting those. Maybe me and some of your girlfriends and foes could split some hoes. Cause you talk about the future, let's get to the past. When you said I was your first love and your last, thought it would last, was it the cash? Cause the income of your Louis bag was coming fast. It's sad, cause I tried to make it last. Share my heart, but I wound up sharing ass. First I was like, who this fag? I put him in a body bag with this trust we had, and we'll all be glad. Now I just chill when she love as a meal. If you don't have the right ingredients, the next man will. I could've sexed your besties, but I quit this, cause no revenge is more complete and compelling than forgiveness. I forgive, but never will I give in to this promising us will never happen again. I mean, we can be friends, I'll love you to the end, no doubt, but that me and you route is at an end. So you do you, and I'ma do whoever. Slide through two, I'll probably do two or better. Never let a chick think that you need them. They switch up and think you won't leave them. Love is a go, but I ain't trying to fall in it again. I'm watching out for the hoes. Miss, we need trust in this relation to complete this shit. Yeah, no wonder this love sinking. Baby girl, what you thinking? Or you wasn't at the time with the shit you said you did. I hope I wasn't on your mind, cause if I wasn't, it wasn't a matter of time before you get tired of me and get back on your grind. But I had hope, hoping we would cope, meet certain means so we wouldn't have to cause a scene. We wouldn't have to cause a scene. Yeah. Tell me truthfully, are you through with me? Cause if you was, then that love we had wasn't true to me. Tell me truthfully, were you in love or just comfortable in your emotions were shown because you were used to me? I'm not heartless, I just had my heart broken, so I have less of a heart, so I take less to the heart. In other words, you can say I take less to the part, but that's progress, cause now it takes more to start. I mean, I think everybody has that one chick that they want to tell their homies about, but they're scared to, so I let it out. Let it out on the mic, alright? Catch you on the next track. Deuces.